Hello guys, my name is Anvisha Basu and welcome to my channel Creative View. Today I'm gonna do another comparison video. Today I have these beautiful speakers. Both are Bluetooth speaker. One is from Phillips and the model number is Phillips BT50 and another one is Logitech X50. So at first we're gonna compare them based on their physical appearance and their features, and after that we are gonna compare them based on their sound performance. So let's start. So the first thing which we are gonna do is that we are gonna see that weight wise, size wise and look wise which one is better. So I particularly feel that this speaker is a little bit lightweighted than Logitech X50. This is also a little bit tiny in terms of size, and look wise also I think this speaker looks better than Logitech X50, and I will give it more marks, and it is also really handy. So based on their look or based on their physical appearance, this speaker beats this speaker. Now we're going to talk about some features differences. So one of the major differences between them feature wise is that Philips BT50 basically has an inbuilt microphone with the help of which we can directly talk to the desired person through this speaker, which we cannot with the help of Logitech X50 because it does not have any inbuilt microphone. So this is I think only one and only difference they both have feature wise. The rest of the things are same. So now we're gonna differentiate them based on their sound performance. So let's do that.
Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way. Oh tenu suit karda, oh tenu suit karda, tenu suit karda. Oh नी तू लगदी पंजाबन लगदी पटोला, लगे नी तू सारियां तो वख नी, तेनू सूट करदा। नी तू लगदी पंजाबन लगदी पटोला, लगे नी तू सारियां तो वख नी, तेनू सूट करदा, ओ तेनू सूट करदा। Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way. Oh tenu सूट करदा, oh tenu सूट करदा, tenu सूट करदा। Oh नी तू लगदी पंजाबन लगदी पटोला, लगे नी तू सारियां तो वख नी, तेनू सूट करदा। Oh नी तू लगदी पंजाबन लगदी पटोला, लगे नी तू सारियां तो वख नी, तेनू सूट करदा, ओ तेनू सूट करदा।
That was it guys. So I would say that Logitech X50 is I think sound wise it is way better than Philips BT50. I don't know whether the difference is clearly visible in the video or not, but when I was playing this song I could clearly hear the difference. I could clearly see that Logitech X50 sound is way louder than Philips BT50, and the bass quality was also very good and crystal clear. So my pick is Logitech X50. So now it's up to you. So that was it, guys. I hope you guys have liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe and keep watching.